He's able to cut it out. Mertesacker. Alexis Sanchez. Cazorla. Quarter of an hour played. 0-0 still. Chances at a premium. Oh, that's a neat escape. Juan Mata. He's looking to play it into the channel. The flag stays down. Can he now find a finish? Goal! Manchester United! Given the time and space he had, he was never likely to miss.
Look, you can only exploit the space if the pass is good enough, and in that instance it was instinctive and quick, and it did the damage.
Manchester United are the first to strike.
Walcott really has the confidence and skill to be able to hold the ball up like that until support arrives a little sooner, and just maybe there he overdid it slightly and should have released it because the support was arriving quickly.
Looking to exploit the space. Walcott! And tucked in! Arsenal now have the all-important equaliser. A gem of a cross and a straightforward header.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
They kick off with parity restored.
Well, and it's fortunate to survive that little episode. It should have been much worse.
Carry the ball away. So here comes the corner. Up to nod it. There it is. A really well worked set piece, that.
Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch.
They've got a precious one-goal lead, Wilshere. Safe to say that wasn't the best of crosses. He's looking to play it into the channel. Incisive pass, that. He's onside. He's on his way. Oh, that's a goal to remember forever. A moment of significance for Manchester United. In a straight duel like that, there was only going to be one winner.
Well, when you go one-on-one with the keeper, you can't afford any indecision, and that was decisive and clinical.
No better way to respond to the manager's call than that.
Well, the instruction from the manager would have been, go on and make yourself a nuisance and see if you can snatch a goal. Mission accomplished.
They're back level again.
Well, without doubt, that's given the coach food for thought. Does he settle for extra?
It's in! And it was bound to be him! It had to be him!
And talking about rising to the occasion, their supporters have gone absolutely delirious here, and the way this game was shaping, it needed one of the big names just to deliver something, anything, and the timing couldn't be better. Oh, it takes real skill to execute a lob like that, and when it comes off, it's simply delightful to watch. What a goal!
Juan Mata. An important interception, things were starting to look dangerous. Ah, good interception, just what they needed. There it is, the final whistle. Bitter loss to have to swallow. You'd have thought